All right, let's try it out. 2 minutes. Okay, I'm making water for the birds. And, okay, I'm in the mood for some Kool-Aid. I'll drink it from my Dollar Tree glass. Tropical, tropical. Wear a crown and be sweet. It's Kool-Aid time. Kool-Aid, 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 Kool-Aid. Cheers, darlings. Yes, we're making the bird feeders, darlings. Hubby is helping me outside. Baby, I am making right now the first time that pork rinds in the microwave or whatever. So that's what's happening right now. Okay. We're going to try it out. Okay. Kool-Aid, Kool-Aid. You want some Kool-Aid?
No.
Oh, you want Gatorade? Kool-Aid or Gatorade? What would you like?
Kool-Aid because it's already cold.
Okay. There he goes. Kool-Aid, Kool-Aid.
Kool-Aid is cool.
Of course, I have a new fan. Absolutely. And we got the Super Go. Oh, it's smelling good in here. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Chicharrones en el microondas. Carefully open. This side up. Oh. Oh. Ooh. Well, well, well. Shake bag, microwave. Watch. Watch it. Puff up. Puff up, puff up. I'm going to get a little bit more drink, though, because I'm thirsty. All right. Helpful hints. Unfold bag before placing. Okay. Okay. Chicharrón. Wow, William, check it out. Oh my gosh. I've never had it. Let's try it, you guys. Oh my gosh. They're good. Oh my gosh. William. Oh my gosh, you guys. They're good, huh?
Not too bad. Not bad.
Oh my gosh. Chicharrón en el microondas.
Because you're still here.
Is it good?
It's not bad. It's pretty good.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out Polly's Eating Show. Bye-bye.